Black pepper crab. This good. And here are our ingredients: ginger, garlic, shallots, curry leaf, red chili, and juliennes or spring onions. And most importantly, freshly ground black and white pepper. First, we shall deep fry the crabs, and here's how you know the oil is ready. When the shell has turned red like so, it's time to set them aside. And now the most important ingredient, freshly ground black and white peppercorns, of course. Toast for 1 or 2 minutes. It is best to use butter, but here I use just cooking oil. And now it's time to add in the aromatics, beginning with garlic, shallots, and then ginger, of course. Now add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce for color. Next, we add 2 tablespoons of cooking wine or Shaoxing wine. One tablespoon of fermented soybean paste and a tablespoon of sugar. And this is about the right time to add in our curry leaves. Give it a good stir and a good mix, and our sauce is almost ready. To give the sauce an extra kick, we can add some stock. You can use chicken stock or mushroom stock. Otherwise, just add hot water. Now add in the crabs which we have set aside earlier. Finally, we give the sauce a creamy complexion by adding cornstarch slurry. Finally, throw in the red chilies and we are just about done. Now it's time to serve. And there you have it, an excellent black pepper crab made from your very own home kitchen. Black pepper crab, it doesn't get better than